Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to scan QR code on any types of smartphone device. No matter you are using Android, iOS or any other third-party smartphone device, without download and install any kind of application, you just follow my tips and tricks and very easily scan the QR code, pay or scan the QR code, open any kind of website. Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So now I will show you, I'm scanning this QR code using my two different mobile. One is iOS and second one is a Android without install third-party application. So what is the process? Let's start as a mobile screen one by one. So let's start as a demonstration on Android phone. I will provide you how to scan. Just simply open here your camera application, and here my camera application is open and I just simply scan this particular QR code. I am not using third-party application. I just open camera and just scan this QR code, and QR code related informations are come here. What exactly information available in this QR code? I just simply open here this particular link and I open here this QR code related information. This particular QR code are introduced my YouTube channel Research Rock. So it's very simple process to access any kind of QR code in your Android phone. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here your camera application and scan XYZ QR code, and look at this. I just simply scan this QR code and what exactly information available in this particular QR code. So here PayPal related options are come in this particular QR code. So I just simply scan this QR code and open my PayPal account. It's very simple process. I will show you one more. I just simply open here another QR code. So look at this. I open this particular QR code and I scan this QR code using same camera application, and what exactly available this QR code I scan and press here, and inside the QR code my YouTube channel is available here. So using your camera application on, especially on your iPhone, you can scan QR code and open the particular website fraction of second. No need to install third-party application. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.